Hello to everyone, especially to the students who enrolled in College of Engineering, BS Maths, BS Physics, BS Chemistry, BS Stat, and BS Education Major Maths. And to those students that your courses were not mentioned, just take it easy. Just relax. As long as you enroll this subject for this semester, which is Integral Calculus, I would like you to invite to study with me today. My topic is very interesting because this is very easy for you. My topic is all about basic integration. When we say basic integration, this is a matter of using our basic formula. Integral of n raised to power of x, just do as n plus 1 over n plus 1. And then we will take some sort of using algebra, a simple method. We will recall our long division method during our elementary. So that's why I named this topic, which is very easy, and then this is basic for everyone, especially to the freshman students. Okay, so I will start with my discussion. So I have here integral of x squared plus 3x minus 2 over x plus 1 dx. Take note, our numerator variable in terms of x is higher than compared to the denominator, because this is only 1, and then the power of my numerator is 2. Since this is bigger than the denominator, so I can use long division method. So this will be x squared plus 3x. Then this will be minus 2. Okay? So I think we undergone this topic in our elementary. Maybe grade 6 and then grade 7 also. So the divisor will be x plus 1. So take note, what's the rule for long division? So divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. So review to our index laws in algebra. This is m and this is n. When m is greater than n, we'll just subtract. So x 2 minus 1, because there is 1 in here. So this will be x raised to 1. Understood? So my first quotient will be x. Then multiply to the divisor. So this will be x squared. Then plus x. 1 times x, that will be x. Then the rule is we need to change the sign of the product. This is the product of x and x plus 1. So change the sign from positive to negative. Then from positive to negative. So x squared minus x squared, that will be crossed out, or that will be 0. So take note, 3x minus, the new sign is of x is negative. So 3x minus x, that will be positive 2x. Then bring down minus 2, because the divisor is in the form of binomial. So it should be, the new dividend will be also in the form of binomial. Okay? So next will be divide the first term of the new dividend by the first term of the divisor. So cross out x, then I have now 2. So this will be, since this is positive, so my quotient will be plus also, or positive. So this will be 2. Then multiply to the divisor, that will be 2x. Positive, positive, that will be positive. 2 times 1, that is 2. Okay, again, change the sign of the product. Change the sign from positive to negative. So 2x minus 2x, that will be crossed out, or that will be 0. So negative minus 2, or negative 2, that will be negative 4. So meaning, my quotient is circle brackets x plus 2, then minus 4. This is the remainder over x plus 1. Okay? So I will write in here. So this will be integral of circle brackets x plus 2, then minus 4 over x plus 1. Then this will be enclosed with circle brackets, then dx. Then I will split the integral for x dx, then 2 dx, and then negative 4 over x plus 1 dx. Okay? So this will be integral of, as what I said, I will split This will be x dx. Then plus 2 integral. I'll just write straight away, put the quotient, the constant outside. Then this will be dx. Then this will be minus integral of 4 dx. Then this will be over x plus 1. Then I will place, or I will isolate 4 because 4 is a constant. Then integrate this one, so this will be x squared over 2. Then this will be 2 integral of dx. Just cross integration symbol and cross out the differentiation symbol. So I have 2x. Then this will be minus 4 integral of dx over x plus 1. Then let u is equals to x plus 1. Du is equals to dx plus 0. Then I have now du is equals to dx. So I have now x squared over 2. Then this will be plus 2x. Then minus 4. Then integral of dx is du. Then x plus 1 is u. So take note, we have this basic integration formula. Integral of du over u is equals to ln absolute u plus c. Okay? So I have now x squared over 2 plus 2x minus 4. So the formula of integral of du over u, that will be ln absolute u, then this will be plus c. Okay? Then plug in the value of u. X squared over 2, then plus 2x. Then minus 4 times ln absolute u is x plus 1. Then this will be plus c. Then I will simplify the logarithm. So x squared over 2, then plus 2x, then minus ln absolute circle brackets x plus 1 raised to the power of 4. Then this will be plus c. Okay, so I will multiply 2 everything. So this will be x squared plus 4x minus 2 times ln absolute circle brackets x plus 4. Then this will be plus c. Then this will be all over by 2. Okay? Then I will factor out to come up with my final answer. Allow me to erase this portion. So this will be now my final answer. So I will factor out this one. So I have now x times circle brackets x plus 4. Then minus 2 times ln absolute x, this is 1, this is 1, then this is 4. Okay, so ln absolute x plus 1 raised to the 4th power, then this will be over 2, then plus c. Okay, so this will be now my final answer of integral of x squared plus 3x minus 2 all over by x plus 1 dx is equal to x times circle brackets x plus 4 minus 2 times ln absolute circle brackets x plus 1 raised to the 4th power all over by 2 plus c. I think that's all. A friendly reminder, if you have questions regarding this matter, just leave your comment or comments in the comment section. Then, if you agree with me, please like and share, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Franz Mas TV. Thanks for watching.